disrespect. So when I bust my rhyme, you break your necks. We got 5 minutes for us to disconnect from all intellect and let the rhythm reflect. Lose the inhibition, follow your intuition. Free your inner soul and break away from tradition. Cause when we be out, girl is pulling me out. You wouldn't believe how we rhyme. Turn it till it's word out, turn it till it's turned out. Act up from your best style. Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Get stoned, get started, get started, get started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started. Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started. Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started. Let's get it started. Yeah, yeah.
Acting like it down now. You do know what you're acting like it down now. You know you're acting like it down now. You do know what you're acting like it down now. You know you're acting like it down now. I tell you, we'll talk show. This flow is gonna bring no dough. You know what you're acting like it down now. I said I want to run it cause I'm in control. Hypnotic, gonna see a couple shots. I ain't feeling high, I get your eyes a kite. Party pops up, sis, come with me tonight. I ain't self-delivered, I ain't snapping and popping either. I'm bobbing my head, I'm just standing and watching. I'm a hustler, hustle, you can tell that I'm paid. And I protect what I got, I'm in the house with my blade. You thought you gon' get it, okay now maybe I'm sitting. Cause I want you to trip, yeah I be on that shit. You should see when I'm starting, the flesh is supposed to be bumping. Push the lips to be rubbing, you can tell that I'm hollering. I'm just doing my thing, you know the units the game. I got my grind and shake it with me, you front, you'll have to get me off your